Welcome back, Flamingos. Today I'm going to tell you about Disney Springs and some of my favorite things to do when I'm there. So if you're not aware, Disney Springs is Disney's shopping district. If you were staying in one of their hotels on property, you get free transportation to and from Disney Springs. You can do boats and you can do buses. You could also use the minivan service, Uber or Lyft, to get to Disney Springs. Hey Flamingos, help me out. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. And if you subscribe and comment, you'll be entered in a chance to win the prize pack that I'm giving away when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So one of my favorite things to do at Disney Springs is literally just walk around. I'm a local and I love going up there to just walk around and browse and shop and soak in the atmosphere. It is so much fun, and it is the cheapest and easiest way to immerse yourself in that Disney magic and wonder without having to have a park ticket. There are lots and lots of wonderful places to eat. I've eaten at Morimoto Asia, I've eaten at Blaze Pizza, Gideon's Bakehouse, because you know I love those cookies. Just a plethora of wonderful places to eat. I will link in the description box below a link to Disney Springs so you can check out everything that they have to offer. Disney Springs is absolutely gorgeous. There are tons of places to take beautiful photos, sit and lounge, people watch, and one of our favorite things to do is to get an adult beverage and walk around, because yes, you can. There are 2 parking decks if you are driving your own personal car. There is the Lime and Orange Garage. They are free parking, which is wonderful. And they are some of the best parking decks I have ever experienced. They have numbers as you come in, and you can see the availability on each level. And once you pick your level, it shows you which lane has availability, how many spots are available. Once you turn down the lane, there are red and green lights above all the cars. And when they're red, there's a car in that spot. And if it's green, you know that's where an open spot is. How awesome is that? I wish all parking decks were this amazing. So Disney Springs is also so much more than just a shopping and food district. You can ride in an amphicar. What is an amphicar? It is one of those super old cars from way back in the day that can drive on land and be a boat and go in the water. How cool is that? There are only a few left in the world, and Disney owns a pretty good portion of them. They maintain them to the highest standards, and you and up to 3 people, along with the captain, can enjoy a ride in the lake right there at Disney Springs. It's a joy. And to get a little bit of a discount, if you eat at the boathouse, they will give you a small discount to do the amphicars. One of the other fun things that you can do is the hot air balloon. Again, this is a feed-based event. And if it's windy, it's too windy, they will not do it that day, but on a nice, not breezy day, they will let you go up in the hot air balloon and you can walk around and enjoy and soak in the wonderful views of Disney Springs. Disney Springs also offers Splitsville, which is a bowling alley with nice food that they serve. There is also Circus Olay, which they're currently showing Drawn to Life. And there is the cinema that you can enjoy and watch movies. So overall, there are endless amounts of things that you can do on multiple visits. It's easy to say you can't do it all in one day. Obviously, the shopping is excellent. It's a joy. Like, if you get an opportunity, I highly recommend you scooping out at least one day of your vacation to just come and enjoy Disney Springs and all that it has to offer. Well, that'll do it until next time, Flamingos. Shake a tail feather.